What's up, guys? It's Derek Johnson from the Freedom Factory. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use Chirply with Facebook lead ads and connect to your hot leads in less than a minute. If you get some value out of this, go ahead and hit subscribe, like the video, and smash that bell for future updates. If you want to try Chirply risk-free for 14 days, you can get a starter account for $7 a month or the platinum version for $47 a month, which gets you unlimited everything. So let's hop in. Basically, I'm going to show you how I am running a Facebook ad that when someone fills out the lead form on the Facebook ad, I get a call to my cell phone automatically. So pretty cool. You could be running Facebook ads and going about your day, and your system just can be working on autopilot. This is kind of advanced stuff, but I basically followed directions step by step and set it up, and I got my first lead today. And so far, my campaign has only spent like $6. So I'm going to show you guys that. And let me share my screen here. Another thing you can do is, if you want to test this, you can text demo to 319-250-6868. That's another feature of Chirply. It's the autoresponder. You can call that, and it's going to show you my professional IVR. So interactive voice response based on a key that you enter will give you different options. One is going to send you a link to a Chirply trial. 2 is going to get you my direct line. And 3 will send you a link to my calendar. But let me take this border off here, and we'll dive into my screen share. Okay, so basically this is the Facebook ad right here that I'm running. I'll show you my ads manager. Show you what's been going on. So far, I just started this yesterday. So far, I've had 157 impressions and actually 1 Facebook lead. So someone filled out my lead form on Facebook. And so far, I've only spent $6.41. Now, this Facebook ad that I'm running is actually for a lifetime deal of Chirply. So I have 2 options for Chirply, either $4.97 for the gold plan or $9.97 for the platinum plan. So for $6, I had someone pre-qualify themselves. Basically, I narrowed the targeting down to people between 25 and 45, I believe, just because I feel like anyone younger isn't going to have the money to invest in this, and anyone older is probably not technologically savvy enough to really be interested and understand what is possible with this. But basically, I have some copy here. It says, the early bird gets the worm. That means the faster you connect with your leads, the better your chance to make a sale. I said you have less than 5 minutes to contact leads if you still want to be top of their mind. 78% of customers buy from the first responder, which these are true stats. And sales conversions decreased by 391% after the first minute. And basically what Chirply does is once they fill out this lead form, it sends them an automated text message saying, I got your lead form response. I'm going to be calling you almost instantly. And then it sends me a call to my personal phone. This could be a sales rep or whatever, but it's going to give me a sales bridge message, which I'll show you here. Basically, it's going to play this message in my phone. Facebook ad hot lead for Chirply. And it's also going to give me some info. It's going to give me the lead's name and I ask another question whether they're generating leads currently or not. So it's going to tell me that information. And then once I accept the call, it calls their phone immediately. So within 90 seconds from them submitting this Facebook lead form, I'm on the phone with them asking if they're ready to take on Chirply or if they'd like a demo. So it's pretty powerful. It's kind of tricky to set up. You have to use Zapier and a paid Zapier plan. But I did get this set up in probably an hour and a half, just following step-by-step instructions. So I'm going to actually test this right now and see if it works live. So basically this is the lead form that people would come to, and they'd fill this information out and then put their name, email, and phone number, tell me whether they're currently generating leads or not. And then once they submit this, it's going to send them an automated text message. So we'll see how that works. So I just submitted it. From there, it says, thanks, we'll be in contact shortly. And they can check out the website. So now they're looking at my website. Let's pull up a stopwatch here. So far they could be just browsing my website. And basically, Chirply is connecting with Zapier. And once they connect that information, it's going to send them a text message. And it's right now calling my phone. So this will be the sales bridge from Chirply.
Facebook ad hot lead for Chirply.
New hot lead from FB ad. Name is Derek Johnson. Are they currently generating leads? Yes. Please press 1 to talk to the lead.
So just like that, I'm on the call with that Facebook lead, which it's actually myself, so that's not going to work. But you can see I'm calling that lead. So that whole system is automated. And I didn't even stop the stopwatch, but I'm pretty sure it was like around a minute total from when they submit the ad to when I'm calling them while they're still probably live on my website. So pretty crazy stuff. I'm pretty excited about it. Another feature that Chirply has is this little widget. So this will do the same thing. They can either ask for a call or a text message. They put their phone number in, and it's going to sales bridge me to contact them immediately while they're still on my website. So that's some of the crazy stuff that's been going on. I've been focusing on the software. A starter Chirply account is $7 a month. Or to people who aren't finding my dollar deal, they're getting Chirply for $47 a month for the platinum plan. I also have the lifetime deals. So if I fill these out and go to step 2, you can get a lifetime deal of Chirply for $4.97 or the platinum deal of Chirply for $9.97. And another thing I just implemented is this little quiz here. I need to flesh this out more, but basically it asks if people are interested in a system like Chirply. and whether they prefer free trials or lifetime deals. So if they like free trials, that's going to take them to a 14-day free trial sign-up page. If they like lifetime deals, as long as there's a money-back guarantee, that takes them to the lifetime deal page. So basically on this cart is the 14-day free trial for the platinum or the starter plan. So $7 a month, you get 2 of everything. So you could do everything that I just did on this starter plan. The only thing is you're going to get limited. So you can get 2 of each. The platinum plan gets you unlimited of each and also comes with built-in lead generation. So if this is something anyone is interested in learning more about, feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to walk you through it. Super powerful stuff. Hope you guys had a good Christmas and have a happy New Year's. If I don't talk to you again, 2020 is going to be fun. I just got an affiliate program set up as well. So if you're interested in earning 40% recurring commissions and 40% commissions on those lifetime deals for Chirply, feel free to reach out to me. And I'll send you a link to the affiliate application. Other than that, guys, I will check you later. Appreciate you, and see you around.